This is the fastest bird on planet Earth, the falcon. The peregrine falcon with the Latin name Falco peregrinus is the fastest predator in the air. When hunting, the peregrine falcon can fly at speeds of up to 390 km/h. That's faster than a Formula One racing car. This bird has a unique hunting technique called stooping, namely the technique of swooping and grabbing prey at high speed. Peregrines also have 8 times sharper vision than humans, which allows them to see prey from a distance of 3 kilometers. They like to nest on high cliffs or skyscrapers in the city,